Hello, this is Somitra and today we will discuss an important type of candlestick pattern known as the evening star. But before we proceed, please subscribe and also click the bell icon so that you get notifications for any new videos. Here in this image you can see an evening star. The high reached in this weekly chart is 6101.30 on Nifty Index. The correction which follows after the confirmation makes a low of 5477.20. Now have a look at this chart and you will notice the two black markings which covers candles. Please keep watching as I explain the pattern, why I have marked candles and its importance. How you should trade the evening star. The evening star is a 3-candlestick pattern. The criteria for this pattern include an uptrending market in which a long white candle is followed by a small real body. The small real body of the second candle line can be black or white and should not touch the real body of candle 1. The third candle of this pattern is a black real body that does not usually touch the real body of second candle and then closes well into the white candle which was the first candle of this pattern. If the second candle of the evening star is a doji instead of a small real body, then the pattern is an evening doji star. When an uptrend or bullish move reaches an extreme point, there comes stillness. This stillness gives rise downturn. This is the verbal description of the evening star. When bullishness reaches extreme, the appearance of the long white candle of the evening star pattern occurs. It is followed by stillness which describes the small real body. The small real body reflects a market at a transition phase in which the trend goes from up to a period of stillness. This stillness gives rise to bearishness which describes how the downturn follows the stillness of the second candle line. It is important to wait for the third line to get the bearish confirmation of this pattern. This is because, after the second line, all we know about the market is that it went from an uptrend to period in which the bulls and bears were in a stalemate as gauged by the small real body of this second candle. It is only after the long black candle moves into the first candle's white body that we get the proof that the bears have taken control of the market. In the first case you can see the confirmation, but in the second case you can see the failure. The failure gives rise to confirmation that the bulls have more ammunition in their sleeves. Thanks for watching.